This part of the community doesn't have to be ugly. It could be beautiful with dustless blasting. But it's not just for graffiti removal. Oh no, my friends, this machine can tackle automotive restoration, which you may have already seen on TV. It can also do residential paint removal. You can refresh driveways, patios, lawn furniture. You can do marine maintenance for boats, big and small, and countless other tasks across many different industries. Dustless blasting can handle tough coatings because it's strong. Things like multi-layer epoxy, powder coat, and other notoriously difficult coatings come off with no problem. But dustless blasting can also be quite gentle for more delicate surfaces like antique wood, brick, or aluminum airplanes. How can it do all that, you ask? Because it's the most versatile abrasive blasting system on the market. It's no wonder clever entrepreneurs are tapping into the $10 billion paint stripping and cleaning industry by starting mobile businesses with these amazing machines. Hey, if you've got questions, we've got answers. Learn everything you could need to know about this incredible opportunity at dustlessblasting.com.